The key steps to starting your tax-delinquent property investing journey. Investing in tax-delinquent properties is one of the most affordable and lucrative ways to enter the real estate market. These often overlooked opportunities can generate substantial returns, whether you're earning interest on tax liens or acquiring properties at a fraction of their market value. If you've been inspired by the idea of tax-delinquent property investing but aren't sure how to start, this guide will walk you through the key steps to begin your journey. Why start today? Tax-delinquent property investing offers a unique combination of accessibility and profitability. With properties often available for as little as a few $100s, it's a low-barrier entry point into real estate. Starting today means you can take advantage of untapped opportunities before more investors discover this lucrative niche. Waiting too long could mean missing out, as growing interest in tax-delinquent investing increases competition. By acting now and following the steps outlined here, you can position yourself ahead of the curve. Step 1. Educate yourself. The first step to successful investing is education. Before diving in, you need to understand how tax liens, tax deeds, and delinquent property sales work. Here are some key resources to get started. Books. Unlocking Wealth, a guide on how to buy tax houses, liens, and deeds releasing March 1, 2025 is an essential guide for mastering this niche. Other resources, such as Investing in Tax Liens for Dummies, can provide additional insights. Blogs and articles. The Tax House School blog offers free tips and tutorials for understanding tax-delinquent property investing. Local laws. Tax lien and deed processes vary widely by state and county. Research local rules regarding redemption periods, interest rates, and auction procedures to avoid surprises. Webinars and forums. Platforms like BiggerPockets and the Tax House School Facebook group connect you with experienced investors and provide actionable advice. Step 2. Research your target markets. Every market is different, and understanding where to invest is crucial. Here's how to choose the right locations. Favorable states. Some states, like Florida and Illinois, are well known for offering high interest returns on tax liens. Others, like Texas, have tax deed sales with shorter redemption periods. County records. Investigate counties with consistent auction activity and properties in desirable areas. Many counties publish lists of delinquent properties or auction schedules online. Market trends. Look for areas with growing populations, infrastructure development, and rising property values. Tools like Zillow and Redfin can help identify high-growth neighborhoods. Tools for research. Use GIS mapping software and online auction platforms to evaluate properties before committing to a purchase. Step 3. Build your investment strategy. Having a clear plan is essential for success. Start by answering these questions. What are your goals? Are you looking to generate passive income through rental properties, flip properties for quick profits, or diversify your portfolio with tax liens? What's your budget? Determine how much you're willing to invest initially. Remember to account for additional costs like foreclosure fees, title clearing, and potential renovations. What's your risk tolerance? Tax lien investing offers more predictable returns, while tax deed investing can lead to property ownership. Choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 4. Locate tax-delinquent properties. Once your strategy is in place, it's time to find opportunities. Here's where to look. County tax offices. Most counties maintain lists of tax-delinquent properties. These may be accessible online or by visiting the tax office in person. Auctions. Tax lien and tax deed auctions are held regularly in most states. Check your county's auction schedule for dates and participation requirements. Over-the-counter OTC sales. If properties don't sell at auction, they're often available OTC at a lower price. Tech tools. Platforms like Tax House School GPT can streamline the process of finding and evaluating properties, saving you time and effort. Step 5. Attend your first auction or OTC sale. Participating in your first tax sale can be both exciting and intimidating. Here's how to prepare. Set a budget. Decide on your maximum bid for each property to avoid overpaying. Remember, it's easy to get caught up in competitive bidding. Understand the rules. Auctions have specific procedures, including registration requirements and payment terms. Familiarize yourself with these in advance. Research properties. Analyze the properties on the auction list to identify those with the highest potential value. Be strategic. Attend a few auctions as an observer before participating. This will help you understand the dynamics and bidding patterns. Step 6. Analyze and secure your first property once you've successfully bid on a property. Due diligence is critical. Follow these steps. Property assessment. Inspect the property if possible, or use online tools to evaluate its condition and location. Market value. Determine the property's value by comparing it to similar properties in the area. This ensures you've made a profitable investment. Title clearing. If you've acquired a tax deed property, complete a quiet title action to secure clear ownership. Step 7. Plan your next steps post-purchase. Congratulations, you now own a tax-delinquent property or lien. Here's how to maximize your investment. Develop a management plan. If you're renting the property, establish a system for tenant screening, maintenance, and rent collection. Choose an exit strategy. Decide whether to flip, rent, or hold the property. Each option has its pros and cons depending on your goals. Track your returns. Keep detailed records of income, expenses, and ROI to evaluate the success of your investment and plan for future opportunities. Call to action. Taking the first step today. Tax-delinquent property investing offers a clear path to financial independence, but the first step is up to you. Pre-order Unlocking Wealth, a guide on how to buy tax houses, liens, and deeds today at taxhouseschool.com for a complete roadmap to success. Join the community. Follow at Tax House School on Instagram and connect with like-minded investors in the Tax House School Facebook group for tips, support, and exclusive updates. Stay informed. Sign up for our newsletter to receive expert advice and alerts about upcoming tax sales in your area. Start building your real estate empire today.